So we've added the PR sensor to it. We want to add the door sensor now. So we are still going to be using the same code. That is, I'm going to unlock it first. 6666
Please enter instruction.
23. Then I've used port 5. I'm going to be using port 6 for this. 06 hash.
Detector coding.
So I'm just going to remove it now.
Coding come through.
And then this has been added to the system as well. So for the sake of this video, let me just show us what we have inside this door sensor. Quick one. So this is it inside the door sensor. For those that will be interested in seeing it, so you can see it has a battery inside and the setup inside. Just slot in your battery and then you can close it back up.